The 2014 Audi S6 is an executive vehicle produced by the German automaker Audi and comes in a single trim level. It is the high-performance version of the Audi A6, which offers more power and performance, boasting a powerful 4-liter V8 twin-turbo engine with 420 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque hidden under the hood. No doubt, there will be quite a bit of fun time driving in the 2014 Audi S6. The Audi S6 features a highly rigid body structure thanks to Audi ultra-lightweight technology, which uses advanced material and construction methods that allow the car to be lighter. Lightweight design means the minimum material in the right place for the best performance. At the same time, allow the car to accelerate much faster. The Audi S6 also comes equipped with Audi Quattro permanent all-wheel drive system that distribute power to the wheel that need it the most by sending power to all four wheels. Traction and handling performance dramatically increase on virtually any road, and with its available torque vectoring sport differential, the S6 sticks to what it does best, which is delivering unsurpassed cornering performance, improving control during inclement weather and performance driving situations. Now looking at the front, you quickly notice the lighting that accentuate the Audi S6 with adaptive Xenon Plus headlights and the signature Audi LED daytime running light, as well as the turn signal light. Very stylish looking headlight. High intensity retractable headlight washer as well as park assist are also built into the front bumper. The Audi S6 features a really aerodynamic front bumper, which make the front look really aggressive, and the specific Audi S6 single frame grille with Audi 4-ring logo in the middle, and the front camera located right under the logo. S6 badge on the grille as well. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with the black optic package, which includes the 20-inch 5-armed rotor design wheels finished in titanium with 255/35 Pirelli summer tires. Behind the wheel is the set of 15.7 inches internally ventilated brake discs with the large brake caliper painted in black with S6 lettering on it for faster stopping. V8T badge on the fender. Body color side view mirror, which comes with the black optic package as well, with integrated LED turn signal light. And moving up on the top, you see the sunroof that can be tilted or slide open. Rear wheels are also 20 inches, and behind the wheel is the 14 inches internally ventilated rear brake disc and brake caliper painted in black as well. It also features anti-lock braking system with electronic brake pressure distribution and brake assist, electronic stability control with traction control, as well as electromechanical parking brake. Now moving on to the back, you see the pair of LED tail lights. Integrated into the tail light are the LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. LED taillight illuminate quicker and brighter than conventional light bulbs and help notify driver behind quicker so they have more time to react. There is the rear spoiler. And at the bottom is the black rear diffuser that framed the quad round chrome tip exhaust. Park assists are also integrated into the rear bumper. And here is a closer look at the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. And the third LED brake light on top. Okay, now on the remote I have the lock, trunk release, unlock, and panic buttons. S6 logo on the back. Now the car does come equipped with Audi Advanced key. So with the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as Phantom Black with Pearl effect, featuring a full black leather interior seat with white contrast diamond stitching, black on the dash as well as door panel, with fine grain ash natural brown wood trims and aluminum trims all around. Interior is very classy and sporty at the same time. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button located on the center console to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2014 Audi S6 have to offer. Under the hood is a 4-liter TFSI twin-turbo V8 engine with cylinder on demand, 7-speed Tronic transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, Quattro permanent all-wheel drive system with sport rear differential, pushing out 420 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. Can hit from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 17 city, 27 highway, and 20 combined. Very nice looking engine. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with fine grain ash natural brown wood trim. 2-position memory system for both driver and passenger. Door lock and unlock. Now all 4 windows are fully automatic. There's the side view mirror control with folded options, trunk release button, and storage compartment. Both surround sound speaker. S6 aluminum door sill. And there's the sport panel. Here is a closer look at the seat. Valcana leather seat with contrast diamond stitching. Looks really sporty. S6 logo embossed on the backrest. Both front seats feature 12-way power adjustable front seat, including 4-way power lumbar support and 2 preset memory for driver seat, steering wheel, as well as outside mirror. The seat does feature heated and ventilated options. The 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with white contrast stitching on it, and the S6 logo at the bottom. Looks and feel really nice, featuring multi-function controls side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, Bluetooth wireless telephone, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Behind the wheel you have the up and down paddle shifter, so you can put the car in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. Here's the look at the white contrast stitching, and here you have the windshield wiper controlled. There's the turn signal light controlled, and here's a look at the gauge. Cruise controlled. Steering wheel also feature power tilt and telescopic steering column. Okay, over to the left you have the driver side air vent. And the light controlled. Rear fog light and instrument light controlled. And here's a look at the dash. It is all soft material, and a closer look at the brown ash wood trims with Quattro badge on it. Very nice looking dash. Now the S6 model does come standard with the Bose surround sound system, featuring 14 speaker total with audio pilot for noise compensation, and the system is pushing out a total of 630 watts of power, which will deliver a sound experience that you won't forget. Here is a look at the large multimedia screen. It will retract once you turn on the vehicle and will fold in completely into the dash once you turn off the vehicle. Audi multimedia controlled, dual climate controlled, and here you have the little storage compartment. Alright, here's the gearbox. It is wrapped in leather with contrast stitching on it as well. Alright, just pull down to get into reversed. Okay, once you're in reversed, the backup camera will appear on the multimedia screen with guidance line to help with a much easier backup, and down again to get into neutral, down again to drive, and over to the right for Tronic mode, and that's when you can use the up and down paddle shifter located behind the steering wheel to change gear. Pretty simple. And located next to the gearbox you have the parking brake and the start and stop engine button. There's the MMI touchpad. Alright, and here's the main multimedia infotainment controller, which is located in the center of the center console. Alright, you can just move the knob around to move around screen, or you can press down to select. Very easy to use. The system is pretty smooth and very responsive. The Audi MMI operating system allows you to instinctively manage an array of systems, including navigation, entertainment, interior setting, or even ride dynamic on model with Audi Drive Select. And here you have the dual cup holder, center storage compartment with a 12-volt power outlet and the USB plug. Glove box compartment. Alright, and here's a closer look at the seat. Very nice sport seat. Okay, on top you have the universal garage door opener, light controlled. And one touch, open, close, and tilt sunroof. You can tilt the sunroof for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. And there you have the manual sunshade. Here's a look at the rear view mirror, sun visor mirror, sunglasses holder, alright, now let's check out the rear seat. Rear seats look quite spacious and does offer seating for 3. And rear seats does feature a folded option. You can fold it down to 60 or 40 split if you need to fold it down to get extra cargo space. And again, really nice diamond contrast stitching. And here's a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Rear windows are fully automatic as well. Storage compartment, both surround speaker, S6 aluminum door sill for the rear. Alright, now let's jump into the rear seat and see how it feels in the back. But first, let me show you the look to the front cabin. Very sporty cabin. And the look to the top. Down here you have a dual side air vent, and you have your full climate control for the rear passenger as well, and two 12-volt power outlet. Rear seats does feature plenty of leg room. I'm 5'8" and still have plenty of leg room left. Rear seats are really well padded. And here's the look to the back. Here you have the center armrest with dual cup holder and another storage compartment. Now, like I mentioned earlier, plenty of leg rooms for me as well as headroom. So for a taller individual, you will also be really comfortable in the back as well. Now let's pop up the trunk and see how much cargo space the S6 have to offer. The S6 offers 14.1 cubic feet of cargo space, which is pretty decent for its class. And keep in mind that you can always fold down the rear seat into 60 or 40 split if you need extra cargo space. Okay, and the gas cap is located on the passenger side. So with the car unlocked, just push it in to open. It does require premium unleaded fuel only and holds approximately 19.8 gallons of fuel. Overall, the 2014 Audi S6 is a vehicle that offers best of both worlds, power and style. Rear seats offer seating for 3 passengers and does offer generous amount of legrooms as well as headroom, so longer road trip will not be a problem for rear passenger. And the front cabin of the S6 is very luxurious and roomy as well, with great upholstery material, finished up nicely with the beautiful diamond contrast stitching on the seat, with fine line wood trims throughout. It really does deserve to wear the S6 badge. Okay, right now I'm in the passenger seat, and it does offer plenty of leg room, and I'm really comfortable right now. And here's my personal front passenger view of the front cabin. Alright, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2014 Audi S6. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. And I'll see you guys next time.